Hey, it's Marcus. Basically, you can sell your skill or knowledge online and make a lot of money. You can sell your skill or knowledge inside of you and make a lot of money. Basically, you can teach your knowledge, your skills to other people. For example, how to stop drinking alcohol, knitting, trading, poker. Any ability inside of you, you can sell it to another people and make a lot of money. How this works? Basically, what you have to do is start a micro niche YouTube channel about your offer, about your niche, only one niche. For example, if you're teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol, you start creating YouTube videos about that, how you solve that problem to other people. Basically, you teach people how to stop drinking alcohol and you create an info product. How this works? You can sell your product as a mastermind, a coaching, a one-to-one coaching call, and basically the important thing of this business is charging high prices. I'm talking about 3K your offer minimum. Why this? Because with only 4 clients, if 4 people pay you 3K, you make 12K per month with only 4 clients. So this is magical. So how can you start doing this? First, you start creating YouTube videos about your niche. Second, your clients will go to a website inside your YouTube channel. So don't create like super videos. We are not here to be YouTuber. We are not playing the view games. We are here to solve problems, human problems. So once your viewers watch your videos, you will convert them into clients. How this works? You will book a call inside your website. You have to create a website where people can book a call with you. It's super easy. You can use Aura Point Build to build a website in a second. And when they book a call, inside the Zoom call, you close the sale, you ask them what problem they have, and you close the sale in the Zoom call. You can use the book called The Secrets of Closing the Sale from Ziegler. So super recommended these videos. And as I said before, we are not here to be YouTubers in the sense of playing the view games. We are playing the money game. That's what people don't understand. I have a client with 4 million followers on Instagram and wasn't making 5K. Imagine why? Because he was playing the view games, not the money game. So this is the magic of this business, charging high price, high ticket sales. So basically, once you follow the right vehicle and you do it in the right way, you will be printing money. It's super easy once you have the right information on you, and you can be making 100K if you do it right, working from home, teaching what you know and having fun. The important thing about this business is using YouTube in our favor. There are like 3 billion users on YouTube. Can you get 5 people to pay you 3K? Obviously, you can. You have to understand that you can charge high prices to people and using the system in our favor. Imagine the possibilities. If with only 5 clients pay you 3K, you will be making 15K per month. With only 5 clients. That's the rule of the 1%. If you get 200 views, with only the 1% of the views, you can be making a lot of money. So imagine the possibilities. You don't have to be a YouTube creator making like the magical videos and editing and free cameras. No, we're ruling in a simple way, like this video, So do simple and follow the right steps and you will be making a lot of money online.